Does distance learning have your teachers and students in a rut? Razzle Bamboom has created a fun, new, musical, and inspiring option, Video Assemblies. You can learn almost anything.
Not everything.
Oh, hi, Pewee. Is there something you can't learn?
Well, at school, they let us try some musical instruments. And I tried playing the trumpet. I want to be as good as you.
The Be My Best Assembly addresses the topics of growth mindset, excellence, respect, and motivates your students to be their personal best in school and in life. The Kids for Kindness Assembly addresses ways to use kindness and friendship to create a happier climate and culture, and to deal with bullying in a positive way. Include others in your activities. This video also uses role-playing sketches to demonstrate to kids how to deal with emotional situations. We offer different versions of Kids for Kindness for grades K through 2 and 3 through 6. Each video is a 30-minute performance that can be streamed into classrooms or during an online distance learning class, or even shared with the students to watch on their own. By making any of these videos a part of your school year, you can bring a positive message, music, and even some laughter to your students when they need it the most.
My cheerfulness supplied. Change your attitude.
My attitude?
I feel good inside.